Hola, it's Sabi and welcome to ABS Systems. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this DIY face gas mask. So let's get into it. First, take a cardboard of 10 by 10 centimeter and then mark 3 lines in it by using a ruler. And then from the center line, mark 2 centimeter on top. Then 6 centimeter on both sides. Forming a triangle at the edge, connect both points on both sides. And cut it off. Now fold the left side along the line using a ruler. And right side as well. And you will end up with a shape like this. Now take a strip of cardboard of 10 by 2 centimeter and fold it like this. And by using a hot glue gun, glue it on the upper side. Then cut off the extra cardboard from the front side. To make the gas filter, draw 2 circles of diameter 7 cm each on a cardboard sheet. Then take a strip of 22 by 2 cm and glue it around. And do the same with another one. Now take another piece of cardboard of 10.5 cm by 8 cm, then mark 3 cm on left side and 6.5 on right side. And 1.5 on top and bottom right. Now draw a curve connecting the left corner to the point on the right, and then another curve from the point on the left to the right corner. Then cut off the excess cardboard. And draw a line to fold it along. Then gently start bending it, like this. And make one more for the left side of the face. And then using hot glue gun, glue it with the face piece. and then cut off the excess cardboard. Then stick filter portion to it. And then add details using cardboard strips. Now cover it using paper napkin by applying paste of glue and water. It will provide strength to the cardboard. And after covering the whole thing, leave it to dry. And when it's completely dry, paint it using black acrylic paint. Then, by using dry brush, paint a layer of silver acrylic paint. Then, make a hole on the ends and then insert an elastic cord in it. And then tie a knot. And do the same at the bottom as well. And it's done! Hope you liked it, and if you, then do like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.